We are back with Dr. Hannah Sivak, the founder of Skin Active Scientific. Now, Dr. Sivak, it's time to get hands-on and talk about all of the products that you have. A very comprehensive line that sort of solves a multitude of problems.
Yeah.
Talk to me about the top 3 products.
I would say the best seller is collagen serum, but there's a lot more proteins in the skin than collagen, and this will address all of the proteins.
This collagen serum is going to help rejuvenate those proteins?
Yes.
And help us with our collagen.
Yes.
Tell me some more of the other popular items.
Well, every lipid serum.
And what is lipid serum?
Lipid is your fat. Here you have all the lipids that your skin needs to make its own.
Lipids.
To make its own lipids.
And then the last of the popular, because there's so many items on the table.
The eyelash and eyebrow. Everything here is good for you, and there's nothing here that is bad for you. You have long-term health for your eyebrows and your eyelashes with no side effects.
And these are fantastic, but really, we can also dive in and make our own products.
Some people want to make their own masks, their own skincare products. So for whoever likes to do that, we have the means to make a good, effective product, and we make it easy for them.
So we can customize our skincare. We can buy it already done, that you've done for us, or we can customize. So let's move in. Do you have a specific customization that we could do, say, for dry skin?
Yes, so we make things easy for you. We give you the base cream. Then here you have Secret Bioferment.
Can I stir while you add things?
Here, make sure you weigh anything, everything, so that you know next time, if you like it, you can do it again. And this is great for inflammation, it's antioxidant. And then here you have essential fatty acids from rosehip seed oil. And here you have some of these.
Okay, they got your fatty acids.
Let me put a little bit of the Antiox Booster.
Oh yeah, antioxidants, good.
Which is great. It has everything. These are all plant antioxidants.
And there you go. This is the DIY treatment for dry skin. Let me give you a little bit. I'll take a little bit.
It took a minute.
And you have all the kits ready to go on your website.
Yeah.
Dr. Sivak, great information. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for
more information on Skin Active Scientific, to buy the products or to learn more from Dr. Sivak, just head to their website.